ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. Today, I am headed to LAX to pick up two awesome European YouTubers. Let's get them. I just got Ellie all cleaned up. She's ready to go, looking beautiful. Still got the VFC 63. Let's go ahead and pull this out of the way. Headed to the airport right now. It is a Saturday, and still there is traffic everywhere. An Uber Q7, and his license plate literally says Uber Q7, and it's matte. Oh yeah, and people were wondering where Becca's gone. She's gone nowhere. So I just got off the phone with Paul, Supercars of London. He is with Sam, Seen Through Glass. They are about to get some press cars, an F-Type R, and I believe a Mustang of some sort, and then we were gonna meet up. They're like, can we meet at the In-N-Out? Of course they wanna go to In-N-Out. We're in California. There it is, right there. Are you an Uber too, or no?
You need an Uber? Free Uber.
Yeah.
Dude, you're the man.
Thanks, dude. Dude, that thing is sick.
I wish I had yours.
He's like all trade.
Just casual subscriber with a new Alpina V7. That thing is epic. Are you kidding me? There are just Ubers everywhere. Literally in the span of the last 10 minutes while waiting for Paul and Sam, we have seen 5 Huracans. I don't know whether to be excited or like really disappointed that my car is not rare whatsoever in LA. Look at that, there's Paul. All the way from England with his Mustang shoes and his new facelifted Mustang. What's up, Paul? Good to see you, man. You know they actually make shoes? Lamborghini?
They do.
They're hideous. They're ugly. Sorry, Lamborghini. I love your cars, but your shoes are gross. Seen Through Glass is here too in his Jag F-Type R convertible, vlogging in the middle of a park. What are you doing? What are you
Well, I'm LA with my black on black car.
Oh no, I was about to just say, hey, what's up, Sam, but now it's just weird. What's going on, man? Good to see you. You got a freaking F-Type R that we just discovered is rear-wheel drive?
I literally cannot get away from these cars. I'm obsessed. Any excuse, and here I am.
It's time to do some burnouts. These carbon fiber wheels are so
Best
sick.
wheels.
There we go. London YouTuber 2.0 in the F-Type. Woo! That's the difference between me and Sam in a nutshell. I'm just vlogging wherever. I don't care what the background is. He's like, this is the perfect, most cinematic, scenic background I've ever seen in my life. That's where I'm vlogging. Now headed to Newport to meet up with a bunch of Lamborghinis and Adam Borgstein. I am super pumped. Oh my God! Tunnels! Tunnels! Person's license plate says love double D's. Excuse me, sir? These guys are getting a taste of LA traffic. We are just completely stopped on the highway going to Newport Beach. After an hour of traffic, the Londoners have properly been initiated into Southern California life. This is ridiculous. We just pulled up to a friend's house and the amount of cool Lambos that are here is awesome. Black Huracan, it's got 18,000 miles on it. What are you guys thinking right now? I know you hate it because you like Ferraris, but...
I don't hate it.
Yeah.
I'm like...
I'm in my heaven.
Yeah, that's what I
A
thought.
599 and a Mondeo would be better, but...
Apparently, we're about to get a cold start up on this custom exhaust Aventador. Damn. I've been told this Huracan might be one of the loudest ones around. Yeah, it's really freaking loud. Planes are literally writing in the sky right now. I've never seen this clean of font from airplanes. What? All right, everyone has showed up. It is time to roll. Lambo squad. Ooh, that Huracan is sweet. We got a Performante coming too. Look at that. Well, I was just following them to a car meet I had no information about. Turns out it's a Porsche only meet, and they basically told us, yeah, we can't park anywhere near it, just find a spot on the street. And we're figuring out what to do. Finally got the parking situation figured out. Everyone is thinking this is a GT2 RS, but it is in fact a Turbo S with some awesome upgrades. What do you see?
We're out here representing.
With the Mini?
Woohoo!
Beautiful speedster. Look at that interior. The absolute star of the show.
Exactly.
The dog in the Porsche. Hi, doggy. Come here. How to make your girlfriend happy at a car meet? Find dogs. That is stunning. Absolutely incredible meetup of old Porsches. We've got a new 911R here, but that's basically the only modern car. Oh my gosh. One of my all-time favorite Porsches, air-cooled 993 Turbo S. It's insane how popular air-cooled Porsches have become recently. These used to be like $100,000 a couple years ago, and now they're over 300 grand. Look at this, check out the engine. That is unbelievable. Becca just noticed the side view mirrors are literally attached to the body on the car. We got designer straps too. Oh my gosh. And look at the gas cap. That is unbelievable. Tell me a little bit more about the Porsches here.
Come this way.
Oh, thank you, okay. Okay.
It's a blue 911.
Probably right.
This is a silver Porsche Speedster.
There you go. There you go.
It's on the side of the car.
Yep. That's our Group A.
This is an R Group A Porsche. I think it's quite rare.
Any others?
This green one here is a limited edition
Orange County edition.
911 Orange County.
Check this out, guys. We've got an old E55 wagon. Looks pretty awesome. You do not see these often. Nope, Paul. We are not interested in that right now. That Mini Cooper.
That one's Austin Cooper.
I've found a classic car expert. What can you tell me about this meet?
I'm not an expert, but I'm just freaking out.
I know you are.
I get a little bit lost with all the different models of Porsches.
Yeah,
but they're
me
all
too.
Amazing and they're beautiful, and I want that rally one because it's green.
I was just talking to Paul. I was like, we were so stoked. We got all these Lamborghinis. You could care less. We show up here, and you're in heaven.
I'm done. This is me done. And Paul looks like he's about to go to sleep.
What's your favorite one so far?
The rally car. The rally, and the one with the dog in it. I don't know if you get the dog with it, but
I touched the dog. It was great. That is what I'm talking about right there. 991.2 GT3.
now you know the numbers.
Now I know the numbers. It's modern enough. Oh, this is gorgeous. The yellow calipers too. Ooh.
The coolest thing that I've actually seen is the number plate on this Porsche.
It's really cool.
Outlawed.
But did you see? Oh, I love that car.
Now these idiots are interested.
Oh, here we go. These guys come all the way from England to say, we really want to go eat at Pink Taco. Where is it? In Hollywood?
West Hollywood.
West Hollywood. It's the most random location, but the food is super good. So that is where we are heading. They also love Cheesecake Factory.
Right now, traction off and crash.
Paul learning how to leave a car meet. We're at a Porsche meet. We're parking across the street, and he's already preparing to turn traction control off and hit several members of the crowd. We're just cruising. That thing sounds so good. There's the Mustang. Paul is so funny. He comes to the US and he's like, I really want to see Justin Bieber in his Aventador S. I'm like, you actually want to go find Justin Bieber and see his car? He's like, no, I actually do. So I think he's at Coachella right now, but maybe we'll go Justin Bieber hunting. I'm not gonna do that. Apparently camo is like the new thing. This light has gone fully horizontal, like Corsa mode, the dash and the Performante. I think that's the vibe they're going through. You got serve. Okay. Lots of great license plates today. Speed Victim on a Venza. Come to Pink Taco, actually just for car spotting.
There's just no butter.
Butter. Yeah, I don't like butter. And eggs. I don't like
So weird.
Look at that.
Oh, it's so pretty.
This is why I came to LA.
All right, guys, I think I need to step up my vlogging camera game. This is ridiculous. Look at that, outside of Pink Taco, car spotting again, and it's literally the same as Sam's, only better because this is all-wheel drive. How do you feel about that?
No, I mean, I'm really upset.
It's kind of brutal. Well, the British boys are back in my house. That sounds really weird. I don't like that at all.
The British boys are back in my house.
Stop. Don't tell him. But, dude, seriously, it's awesome to have you here.
Mate, this is incredible. This is not a house, by the way. This is a city.
Well, it's not, I wouldn't go with the city, but that's interesting. Dude, good to see you. I'm like ready to go edit and stuff. They're like, no, what do you mean? It's time for Formula One.
Yeah.
You guys are really into Formula One.
Yeah,
you ready?
About to start.
Ooh.
We're gonna watch Lewis Hamilton get destroyed.
Is that, who's your favorite F1 racer?
Lewis Hamilton.
Huh. Why do you want him to get destroyed? He's just...
No, but he is going to, because you want to give us a strategy. So basically, what's happened is the tyres have
No, go for it, I like it.
Yeah, the tyres are not working on the Mercedes this weekend because the temperatures aren't coming into the right zone, so the Mercedes is not performing as well, whilst Ferrari absolutely smashing it, so it's going to be really...
Oh, you're so excited about that, aren't you?
Oh my God, strategy!
He might like Ferraris, we're not sure. He has a 360.
Justin Bieber's catch hitters though.
Okay, no Justin Bieber talk on this channel. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to Seen Through Glass and Supercars of London, make sure to do so. Look forward to seeing you next video.